Alright, hello everybody. Here's my new toy. I got the Pit Barrel Smoker. I saw Sal making a brisket the other day and I thought, okay, I gotta have it. And I got the US Army version. I am a veteran, paratrooper, infantry, so I thought that would be appropriate. And today I'm doing my pre-burn. It's a real nice unit, and I went ahead and got the I don't know if you can see it here, the optional bottom for the charcoal basket. It'll make cleanup a snap. So after the pre-burn, I'll be doing a brisket.
Hello everybody, and welcome to the Hacienda. Alright, Ribbit here. And so here is the brisket that we got cooking. It is a National Beef Choice, USDA Choice brand. Now, what came with the Pit Barrel is this, the Pit Barrel Cooker Beef and Game Pit Rub. It's looking good. It's 5 ounces, and let's see, the ingredients are salt, spices, garlic, onion, paprika, etc., etc. So it promises to be good, I guess. And if it's not enough to cover this brisket, what we're going to do is we're going to plus it up with Tango Spice Company Tango Verde. Alright, so here we got the trimmed up brisket. The 5 ounces of brisket rub that came with the Pit Barrel weren't quite enough to generously cover this brisket, so I did plus it up with Tango Joe's Tango Verde seasoning, so that's why it's got that greenish tint on the top. Excellent stuff from Tango Joe, so if you get a chance, go check him out, check out his website, send him some love, and go ahead and buy his stuff. It's really good spices. So let's go ahead and fire up the smoker and get this baby.